how to log into your Milestone credit card account. Alright, let's begin. First, on your web browser, search for Milestone Credit Card Login. Once you search for it, you can see the very first link is the official website of milestone.myfinanceservice. Just open this and you'll be greeted by this homepage. Here you can see the login portal as well. So you just have to enter your user ID right here. You can enter your user ID like so, and your password as well. Once you've entered your user ID and your password, you can simply click on login and you will be logged into your Milestone credit card account. If you don't have an account, you can register for your account from here, or if you forgot any of your username or your password, tap here to recover your credentials. And that's how you can easily log into Milestone credit card account. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.